Okay, to convert a web page to PDF on Google Chrome web browser, these are the steps you need to take. First is to launch a web browser. So here we are using Google Chrome. As a web browser is launched, visit the website. So here I want to visit bbc.com. Okay, let me just choose a content I want to talk about. I want to convert to PDF, so I'll click on this. All right, say EU and US agree trade deal with 15% tariffs for European exports to America. Okay, to America. So now I want to convert this to PDF. I don't want to have it always on the web page. How do you do it? First, allow this to load first. Let it finish loading. If the completion of the loading is taking more time, you can click on this X for it to do what you want to do. Okay, so I'll click on this X for it to stop the loading, please. Okay, so here the loading is done, and this is what I want to convert to PDF. The next step you need to take is to click on these three dots at the top right. Okay, when you click on that three dots, you'll be provided with some options. Okay, and our interest here is to convert to PDF. So click on print. On clicking on print, you'll be taken to this page here, and the preview of what you're converting will be here to PDF. Okay, then destination is Microsoft Print to PDF. That's the selection. Okay, because here I'm using a PC that run Windows 11 operating system. Okay, all pages to be converted are layout, portrait, color. Okay, just so that you save it the way it is. It will convert it the way it is. So don't change anything here. All right, except if a printer is selected here, select this one, or you can click here and select save as PDF. Okay, it's okay. Okay, then the next step is to click on print. All right, when you click on print, you'll be expected to have a file name, and here it's going to be saved in the documents folder. If you want to be saved in a different folder, maybe downloads, click on downloads, okay? Then give it a name. So let's call this US to EU tax, okay? Tax or tariff, okay? Tariff, that's it. So just give it a name of your choice and click on save. All right, so this will be saved as PDF and no longer a web file. So if I want to access this to know if it really saves in PDF, how do we get about it? So let's get through our file explorer. I'll click here. Then we saved it in the downloads. We click on downloads, okay? Then look at this. Look at the file. I will double click on this. Then it asks me which browser do I want to use to open it. Okay, let's go with Chrome. Then just once, okay? And here we are. That is the file in PDF format, okay? And it's a simple task. So anytime you want to, save a web file to PDF in PDF, follow this step. It's as simple as that, okay? If this content solves problem for you, consider subscribing to this channel. Here we cover a lot on technology, all right, and finance. So subscribe to learn more. Leave a comment in the comment section if you have a question and hit the like button. All right. Thank you and see you some other time.